Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on to view the blue OCTAVIA SEL First Edition LV20WVR. So here we have the full LED headlights, which are also automatic. Now inside the vehicle we have electrically operated seats, so to move forward and back. It also has 3 seat modes. Also comes with electric windows. Inside the dashboard you have virtual cockpit. The standard specification also comes with adaptive cruise control, front and rear parking sensors. This large infotainment screen also comes with SmartLink Apple CarPlay and Android Autoplay. So here we have the interior of the vehicle. So at the back rear seats you have the ISOFIX. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact us. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.